Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ZenScreen Smart Monitor MS32UC. So friend, ASUS has rolled out the ZenScreen Smart Monitor with 31.5-inch 4K display and Google TV integration. So friends, the 31.5-inch 4K UHD display feature a crisp 3840 into 2160 pixel resolution and 1.07 million colors, 98% of DCI-P3 coverage, and making it ideal for detailed work and high-quality media viewing. With Google TV built into system, gurus can access our 10,000 apps plus streaming services directly from the monitor, and it also comes with built-in Harman Kardon certified speaker, 5 watt each for solid audio without needing extra speaker. On the technical side, the Gen Screen Smart Monitor is built for performance. The 4K IPS panel delivering a brightness of 350 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 1000 Gen 1, and paired with 5 millisecond response time and 60 Hz refresh rate. So friend, the connectivity option including DisplayPort, HDMI port, USB Type-C port with support up to 90-watt power delivery, and DisplayPort alternative mode. And additionally, the monitor is designed for flexibility with tilt stand, with tilt adjustment 5 degree forward and 20 degree backward, and height adjustment up to 100 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.